Hey everybody, it's Wendy. Welcome. I am so excited to share this with you today because this is a first for me and I'm super nervous about it too. So I'm hoping it's received well and that this actually sells a few because it's one of those things where you release something and you're just not sure how it's going to be received. So I got a request for Ferrero Rocher box holders and I obliged and I created those boxes. And I'm going to run you through quickly here me making them. Now you might notice this video is a little different than normal. I'm not sharing measurements with you and I am not going very slow through this video. It's actually sped up pretty quick. And I'm creating both the boxes so that you can see how the boxes come together because I think that it's important that you see how they're put together. The reason I'm not sharing the measurements is because I am, for the very first time, selling tutorials. And I've not done this before, and this is new for me. And so I fully expect that some people are going to complain and say to me, why, Wendy, are you suddenly charging me for a tutorial that you would normally give away for free? So I want to answer that question right off the bat. The reason is simple. It is because this is my livelihood. This is what I do for a living. And my creativity has value, and so does yours, and everybody's does. And so for years, literally for years, I have given away every single tutorial I have ever made. My blog and my videos are all free and have been filled with wonderful information and tutorials and how-tos. And I really felt like it's time to start earning a little bit of money on some of my tutorials. Now, relax, take a breath. I want you to know right off the bat that I am not going to be charging for every tutorial I ever make because that's not who I am. I love to give and share. And one of the things that makes me the happiest in this whole world is getting an email or a comment that says, "Thank you so much. I loved your tutorial. I'm so happy that you made this for me and I'm able to now make it for my friends and or family members." And that is something that just simply does my heart good. It makes me feel happy. Now, as you can see right here, I'm struggling to get this sleeve on this box. And I do want to make a note of this. This sleeve fits really tight over this box. And the reason is because if I went any bigger on the measurements, then it was too loose. So just know that if you purchase this tutorial, that there's nothing wrong with the tutorial. It's simply that it needed to be that size. Okay, so back to what I was saying. So that is the reason I'm charging for this tutorial. So what am I charging? Okay, there's two boxes and I'm going to charge $5.95 if you just want to purchase the tutorial, both of the tutorials. They are printed. They are, I should say, they are printable. They're downloadable. So what you do is you would just visit my website at loveandstampin.com and you click on the link that says purchase the tutorial. And then after you purchase it, you'll get an email that has the downloads. So you want to check your junk email, spam email, just in case it goes there. And there's also a complete video that walks you through how to make them both with all of my normal instructions. So it's exactly the same as this video actually, but I take the time to walk you through everything. So, you really get a great tutorial. Now, the other option is if you're like, okay, $5.95 is fine, whatever, and you think you might want to place a Stampin' Up! Order, you can place an order for $10 and get this tutorial for free through February 1st. Now, this tutorial is going to be available on my blog to purchase forever. Like it's just going to be there. So anybody who wants to purchase this at any point in time can purchase it. You're going to want to go to loveandstampin.com, click on the buy now or shop option, and there will be a link for tutorials. Now, please note this video is being recorded in January of 2018. So I am planning a blog redesign. And so when that happens, this tutorial might be housed in a different area. So you may have to poke around a bit, but I'm planning on making it super easily accessible. So you can purchase it at any time for $5.95, but now through February 1st, if you purchase $10 minimum from me, you can get this tutorial completely for free. And the way that will work is I will email it to you after you've made your purchase. So just know that it will just come into your email. So for just a few bucks more, you can buy, you can get the tutorials for free with an order. So you may be asking yourself, okay, like, basically I could go anywhere online and look for boxes or different things. And yes, you can. You totally can. You can go to different places on YouTube or Pinterest and look for different boxes. And I'm sure there's plenty of free tutorials out there. But these were completely 100% my intellectual property. I made these boxes up myself. I sat and did all the measurements late at night in my craft room and worked it over until I got it just right. And they are kind of a labor of love because they take some time to create and come up with, and I have to make prototypes before I can share them with you. And so that's what I did for these. I love how they both turned out. They both, and by the way, this box that I made right here, this square one, holds 4 Ferrero Rochers, and you can get 2 boxes out of one 12 by 12 piece of cardstock. So just a little tip on that one. If you have the 12 by 12 Painted with Love cardstock pack from the Occasions catalog, you could get 2 of these boxes out of one sheet. So that's kind of cool. And, okay, so back to the tutorial thing. I hope you purchase it. I hope that you see the value in purchasing it. Like I said, $5.95 for both tutorials. They are downloadable and printable. And there is a video that is attached that walks you through all the steps of making this as well, just like you've seen here, except it's slowed down and I go over the measurements of everything. So I hope you have an amazing day. I hope you have enjoyed this new video that I've done. This is kind of a new adventure for me. I'm a little nervous about it. Like I said, I'm really nervous as to how it's going to be received. I really don't want anybody to be upset that I'm charging for a tutorial. I'm so scared that's going to happen. So I'm really hoping it's going to be received well and everybody's going to really enjoy both of these tutorials because look how cute they are. They make the cutest boxes, don't they? I just love them. So there you can see that one thin box in action. Like I said, the wrapping on it is snug, but it does work. All right, if you want to see other videos from me, click on either one of the images that you see here. Click on the little circle with my face in it to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment on this video. Tell me how you feel about me charging for tutorials, even though I'm super scared. And I hope you have an amazing day. Bye-bye.